Good morning, student. Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in bio class. Today we are going to discuss topic cell division. Last topic of chapter the fundamental unit of life. What is cell division? The process by which new cells are made is known as cell division. Process by which new cells are made is known as cell division. Division of cells into new cells, क्या कहते हैं उनको? Cell division. You all know the cell theory कि pre-existing cells से ही नए cells बनते हैं. All cells arise from pre-existing cell. This division of cell into new cell is known as cell division. What is the reason of cell division? First, new cell formed in organisms in order to grow. Next, to replace old, dead and injured cells. Third, to form the gametes required for the reproduction. Reasons for division क्या है? First, growth of organism. Second, to replace old, dead and injured cell. Third, for the gamete formation. सेल को क्या करना पड़ता है? डिवाइड करना पड़ता है. वी ऑल आर मल्टी सेलुलर, है ना? अब एक सेल से दो सेल्स बनेंगे तभी हमारी बॉडी ग्रो करेगी. सो cell division is required for the growth of organism, for the replacement of old, dead and injured cell and for the gamete formations. There are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Note down the definition of cell division, reason of cell division and types of cell division. There are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. The process by which new cells are made is known as cell division. Reason of cell division? New cells are formed in organisms in order to grow. Next, to replace old, dead and injured cells. Third, to form gametes required for reproduction. Two types of cell division. First, mitosis and second, meiosis. Now, what is mitosis? The process of cell division by which cell divide for growth. अब सेल अगर डिवाइड हो रहा है ग्रोथ के लिए तो उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? माइटोसिस. इट मीन माइटोसिस बॉडी के हर सेल में होगी. द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेल डिवीजन बाय विच मोस्ट ऑफ द सेल्स डिवाइड फॉर द ग्रोथ इज नोन एज माइटोसिस. इन दिस प्रोसेस ईच सेल कॉल्ड मदर सेल each cell known as mother cell divides to form two same daughter cells. These are two daughter cells. सेल डिवाइड कर गया और क्या बन गए? डॉटर सेल्स. और वो क्या है? सेम है. इवन द डॉटर सेल्स हैव सेम नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स एज इन मदर सेल. सेम नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स एज मदर सेल्स. And mitosis helps in growth and repair of tissue in organisms. Note down what is mitosis, the process of cell division by which most of the cell divide for the growth. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Mitosis. In mitosis, each cell known as mother cell divides to form two same daughter cells. These two daughter cells have same number of chromosome as mother cell and it helps in growth and repair of tissues in organisms. Next is meiosis. Next type of cell division is meiosis. Specific cell of reproductive organs or tissues in animals and plants divide to form gametes, which after fertilization, give rise to offspring. And this gametes, and there's formation of gametes, they divide by the process known as meiosis. They divide by the process known as meiosis. There are two division in meiosis, first division and then second division. फर्स्ट डिवीजन में क्या है, 2 सेल्स बन गए, उसके बाद कितने सेल्स बन गए, सेकंड डिवीजन में 4 सेल्स. When a cell divides by meiosis, it produces 4 new cells. When a cell divides by meiosis, it produces 4 cells, 4 new cells, 4 daughter cells. And the new cells में क्या होता है कि they have half the number of chromosomes than that of mother cell. माइटोसिस में क्या था, सेम नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स थे न्यू सेल्स में, ठीक है. और मियोसिस में क्या है, हाफ द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम देन दैट ऑफ मदर सेल. Note down the specific cell of reproductive organs or tissue in animals and plants divide to form gametes, which after fertilization give rise to offspring. And this division is known as meiosis. There are 2 divisions, and in this a cell divides and form 4 new cells, and the new cells have half the number of chromosomes than that of mother cells. Now, what are the differences between mitosis and meiosis? Yes, Vansh Dugal, roll number 9, 9th blue.
Ma'am, there are 2 divisions in the mitosis, but 4 cells are formed in meiosis.
Yes. Kashish, 9th blue, roll number 31.
When a cell divides, in the case of mitosis, there is formation of 2 daughter cells, and when a cell divides by the process of meiosis, there is formation of 4 daughter cells by 2 divisions.
Okay. Any other point? First, one cell division. In mitosis and in meiosis, 2 cell division occurs. Second point of difference, 2 daughter cells are formed. And in meiosis, 4 daughter cells are formed. And third point of difference, it is for growth and repair of tissue, and it is for gametes formation. And in mitosis, number of chromosomes in daughter cells are same as that in mother cells. Same number of chromosomes. In mother cell and in daughter cells. But in meiosis, number क्या रह जाते हैं chromosomes के? Half number of chromosomes in daughter cell. Next is practical activity. Note on the practical activity of bio. To prepare stained temporary mount of onion peel and human cheek cell and record observation and draw well-labeled diagram. Prepare stained temporary mount of onion peel and human cheek cell and to record the observation and draw well-labeled diagrams. प्रैक्टिकल एक्टिविटी आपने लिखनी है प्रैक्टिकल लूज शीट्स पे. ना लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे अपने क्या लिखना है पेंसिल के साथ यहाँ पे डेट, देन एम, टू प्रिपेयर stained temporary mount of and to record observations and draw labeled diagram. Okay, then diagram उसके बाद यहाँ पे आपने लिखनी है ऑब्जर्वेशंस. एंड राइट हैंड साइड पे आपने लिखना है डेट एंड देन एम. टॉप पे आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे प्रैक्टिकल एक्टिविटी 1, then aim to prepare the stained temporary mount of onion peel and to record the observation and draw labeled diagrams. Okay, and labeled diagram. Then materials required. मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड के बाद प्रोसीजर, देन प्रिकॉशंस. अब प्रोसीजर में क्या लिखना है और ऑब्जर्वेशन में क्या लिखना है उसके लिए आप वीडियो देखिए.
Onion and cheek cells. Onion peel. To do the experiment we require cover slip, glycerine, glass slides, onion, watch glasses, distilled water, saffron in solution, forceps, brush, needle, compound microscope, blotting paper. Procedure. Take some distilled water using a dropper and put it in a watch glass. take half a piece of onion from the watch glass and remove a leaf from the onion piece. Remove a piece of transparent onion peel with the forceps. Put the epidermis into the watch glass containing water. Take some saffron in solution using a dropper. Put a few drops of saffron in solution into another watch glass. Using a brush, transfer the peel into a watch glass containing saffron in solution. Keep the epidermis for 30 seconds in saffron in solution so the peel can become stained. Using the brush, take the peel from the saffron in solution and put it into the watch glass containing distilled water. Using a dropper, take some glycerine and put 2 to 3 drops of glycerine in the middle of a dry glass slide. Using the brush, transfer the peel to the slide containing glycerine. Take a cover slip and place it gently on the peel with the help of a needle. Remove the extra glycerine using a blotting paper. View the slide under the compound microscope. Observations. A large number of regularly shaped cells are lying side by side. Each cell has a distinct cell wall. A distinct nucleus is present on the periphery of each cell. Lightly stained cytoplasm is observed in each cell. A large vacuole is present in the center of each cell, surrounded by the cytoplasm. Conclusion. All cell walls and large vacuoles are clearly observed in all cells, and the cells in the observations are plant cells.
Now the next part of practical activity, that is the human cheek cells. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे हमने क्या लिखना है, डेट, देन एम टू प्रिपेयर stained temporary mount of cheek cells and to record observations and labeled diagram. Then diagram of human cheek cell, then observations. राइट हैंड साइड पे डेट, then aim, then materials required, procedure, and precautions.
Human cheek cells. To do the experiment, we require toothpick, cover slip, methylene blue solution, glycerine, glass slide, distilled water, brush, needle, compound microscope, filter paper. Procedure. Take some distilled water using a dropper and put it in the middle of the glass slide. Take a clean toothpick and gently scrape the inner side of the cheek. Rub the scrap on the glass slide that contains water. Mix the mixture using a needle and spread it. Take methylene blue solution using a dropper and add a few drops to the mixture on the slide. After 2 to 3 minutes, remove excess water and stain using a blotting paper. Take glycerine using a dropper and add a few drops of glycerine to the test mixture. Take a clean cover slip and lower it carefully on the mixture by using a needle. Using a brush and needle, press the cover slip gently to spread the epithelial cells. Remove extra liquid around the cover slip using a blotting paper. View the slide under the compound microscope. Observations. A large number of flat and irregular shaped cells are observed. The cells do not have a cell wall. However, each cell has a thin cell membrane. A deeply stained nucleus is observed in the center of each cell. No prominent vacuole is observed in the cells. Conclusion. As the cells observed do not have a cell wall or a prominent vacuole, the cells of the specimen on the slide are animal cells.